y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today, I'm joined by some very special...
You know what it is. We about to take over. Sister Girl Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Like I was saying, today we're going to be doing... I invited my family here so that way we could do a very special video with you. We are going to be painting pumpkins. We've never done this before, so it's going to be interesting. Please let us know what you think in the comment section below. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
Let's get it.
Okay, we just paint.
Okie dokie. Oh, here, you guys can use any of the paintbrushes. These are pretty useless for what we're doing right now. You can use anything in here. Oops. And all of the paints are up for anything. And then I just cut notes. There's these that you guys can also use, and then these that you can also use.
Do you wet the brush first?
Yeah, you wet it and then dry it, and then yeah.
Some black.
Oh, this is the black is the big one.
Oh, you would be the first.
Pumpkin is very abstract trash.
But part of things being abstract is that you can't really judge them. Like,
You know
they're
what?
abstract.
Let's go ahead and beef up the abstraction and yeah, let's do that.
You know what? I'm not loving mine either anymore.
Tiara, no, we don't try to come in here and chime in with regular people.
I'm serious though.
No,
I wanted a lot of
I'm
pine
serious.
trees, and my trees did not come out like pine trees at all.
Okay.
You attempted trees.
Right.
I attempted pine trees, and they are not piney at all. They're like regular trees.
Because they look like trees.
Oh, everything's got two sides. Cause this ain't it. Okay, let's try this again. Take it from the top.
Why did you make your eyes yellow?
It's supposed to be green eyeliner.
She went to a cheap green eyeliner.
Shorty.
But now you know what not to do.
She
This
said,
is
Oh.
you
this is a test.
That's how you felt.
Yeah, it's a test. It's like mic check, 1 2 1 2. This is Girl Tuesday on the
You'll be doing it every Tuesday on the YouTube.
Period.
Mars. I don't know what to paint. Mommy, look at Tiara.
I was just saying
You the one who asked an artist to come on your channel to show you out.
Is this bonding?
Well, I'm having a lovely time.
She was
supposed to pretend she can't be. Like, no, honestly, Tiara, you're supposed to come on here and act like a video.
I'm literally doing silhouettes of trees. It does not get more basic.
You started off with, I'm doing silhouettes.
silhouettes of trees.
Right.
Jenny's like, oh, I'm just like, I put some paint on my brush and
Girl, you could have done a silhouette of a circle. And... Guys, I started watching One-on-One last night.
Oh,
Did you just say, what is that? Oh, wait, never mind.
what is that?
It was a
You
TV
never
show from our
watched
childhood.
One-on-one?
I think this was the early in American days. So, but it was,
Early in America when we still don't have a TV.
yeah. So that's why I was like, okay. But it was
You
the
know, that's
Tyler
probably why
Perry.
you're so creative.
You didn't have to
Because, like,
do,
you didn't
like
have
lazy
things
American
to,
kid
like,
things.
To, like, block, like, put you in a box. You know
Like-
what I mean?
And I read a lot, so like my imagination is like very, very, very
Wow,
vivid.
I'm
Like
doing
I
that
love.
with my kids. They don't
It's
know what a TV
wonderful.
is.
And honestly, like
We
now,
didn't get to have TV in our room at all. We didn't
I
even,
feel like
and like, if we did
that's
watch TV,
good,
it
though.
had to be like in our grandma's room, and she was always watching soap. So like we grew up watching Guiding Light and Bold and the Beautiful, and Sesame Street sometimes. Like that was like
I don't think we ever had cable.
ever. I just feel like me not being able to watch TV growing up for real, made me have an obsession with TV as an adult because I can pay for it, and but
Janine will
Joe
watch.
knows that like I love bad TV. Like
she
I
will
love
watch
watching
the TV that you don't need to watch. She'll watch.
TV shows
Like what?
like stuff that comes on like
The awful shows that
Family
like
and stuff
are
like
like
that, like
2-star rated.
Freeform, yeah, like shows that are terrible that on that
Like
that
bounce,
only get
bounce shows.
Oh
Okay,
girl,
I don't know
that's a lot. That's a
That's
lot.
different.
Yeah, that's a different kind of bad. It's like stuff that like only gets one season and never gets renewed. Like or stuff that like never even made it through the full season. Like that's the kind of
I
stuff that I
really
like.
like the green.
I will say,
Isn't it funny? Isn't it sad?
okay, I might have said what I said, but I didn't like that.
Leave it to Karis. She said, "Oh, you want to sting? You wanted to sting. Hold up. Hold. Not the stomp.
I'm not crying.
Are you not?
Okay, I'm crying.
I think it just caught her off guard.
It's been sitting here for a few minutes now.
No, your
That's
face when you
fine.
looked at mine is what caught her off guard, I think. Because you were like,
I can hear you.
That is hilarious. Oh, she brought her out to look. You have to see this. It's horrible.
It's not horrible, but it's just like the eyes that kind of like threw me.
The eyes threw me a little too.
well, yeah.
She's not wrong. Okay, we're
Not mommy with the. Not mommy with the.
She's not wrong.
I mean,
Are you, Karis?
it's the A for effort, girl. That's all that really matters. You know, you put your heart into it.
But you didn't have to like cackle the way that you did.
I'm sorry, but why do her eyes look like?
You know what? Give me the pumpkin back.
Do you want me to fix the eyes for you?
No.
No, please don't. Like, I need to take a picture.
That is literally so cute. That's an actual decorative piece that you can take home and place anywhere. That's so cute. Praises for Jordy. Yes,
That's
exactly.
actually not
and
bad.
Now, oops. And now you just put like the little white dot, and it'll be everything.
It'll be
honestly.
better.
Like
No,
it's so
Carrie.
pretty.
You cannot see it. You can never see a pumpkin ever again.
Oh, I am so sorry.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You know,
Gosh,
Ashanti
almost
just turned 40. Ashanti just turned 40.
35.
Which is crazy because Ashanti does not look 40.
But neither does
Ashanti
Maya.
Ashanti looks 25, literally still.
Maya? Ashanti?
We all say
Is that Ashanti?
yes.
Sing it again.
We gotta handle this right now. You said you don't know Ashanti.
Do. Like, that doesn't do anything for you?
Nothing.
You know that?
Nothing at all.
Yo, this is Ashanti.
It's a man?
No.
Yeah, it's a man who is disguised as a man who looks like that though. Yeah.
You ever heard this song? Got to do it. Got to do it. Got to do
Oh,
it.
I know
Got
him.
to do it. That's
You know
Fat
Fat
Joe.
Joe.
Yeah.
You know,
I
Fat
know Fat
Joe.
I hope so.
It's
There's
a
Terror Squad. Lean
Thursday.
back. We got a couple Fat
I
Joes.
like her music.
I like her music. Yeah, baby, she came
20
out
years
in the
later.
Old 90s.
Okay, why
Early
was she even
2000s.
born at that point then? Early 90s?
But she been making music since I can't.
I wasn't allowed.
Okay,
to
you said
listen
you
to-
don't, and then you said you don't know who Maya is. What's a good Maya song that she? Okay,
Did you watch Rugrats in Paris?
No, she wouldn't know. Like, maybe she wouldn't know. Like,
Rugrats
well, she wouldn't know
in
cases.
Paris?
She was in it.
The actual Rugrats? There was a Paris version?
The movie?
Yeah.
Okay.
They went
do
to
you
Paris? The little Rugrats.
Yes.
No, I never saw that one. That's good though.
know? Here's a good one. She might know. Hold on.
The problem, I don't know what I don't know.
It goes on.
Okay, maybe when she starts singing, it's gonna come to you. But you know who Beanie Man is, though.
I knew that show was
Take all stars out the sky for you.
Oh, she looks familiar. I think I might have seen her on Tumblr. Like a gif of her. No?
Not the Tumblr.
I feel like I've seen like a gif of her.
You've seen Maya before, for sure.
Yeah,
for
she
sure.
looks super familiar. I don't know if she's saying. She's pretty though.
She looks amazing. She's vegan.
Do you know Tamia?
Do do doom 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 doom.
Who else was gonna do it? Yeah, we gotta play
Come
it.
on, I'm so into you.
Yeah, no. Wait, because
I really like
Here we go. Here we go. Don't even hurt her. Hold on. Cause you got to know it. This what you'll know it when you hear it.
Or you won't, but that's okay. See, that's what that sounds like.
Every passing moment, something run through my head.
Y'all like the version with Fabulous or without?
Yeah.
And hear you. I realize that you're heaven sent. I think you're true, something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, oh baby. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it.
Okay. It looks weird, but whatever.
I'm done. I feel like the more I do, the worse it gets.
I think I'm the one that took that award, so.
No, the more you did, the better it got. Truly, I agree with that. Now you just need your signature on it.
Signature? I wouldn't want to know I did this.
Oh. Okay. What is yours, Paris?
Okay, so it was supposed to be like half of a sunflower.
Oh, right. I do remember that.
So, but like the black, it looks weird because I didn't do all of it. But if you just look at it from one side,
I think that's very beautiful.
No.
I'm sorry. I
She can't
really
even say
felt
I'm sorry
bad.
without laughing.
I really felt bad, but like that was just my first reaction. Wow,
It's
she
better.
looks so much better. Wow. I don't even remember what she looked like.
Y'all see this?
Yeah, y'all see
Period.
this? This is my pumpkin.
Period.
Very, very good.
That's what you're gonna show me?
Yours is
That's-
worthy of being shown. Are you okay?
Oh, I'm probably mess it up.
Ta-da!
That look good. She just missing that little nose.
She can't smell.
She can't smell.
What you need to smell for?
Winner of the pumpkin painting contest.
Everybody
I
put their
mean,
signature on it?
They're
not
really,
signing
really
Let me see yours,
good.
y'all.
Mine, I didn't do like anything fancy. You guys did like colors.
Turns it around. And
You guys are
literally.
so annoying. It's okay, because I
Okay,
know
not
this.
fancy for you and not fancy for us. How did you do that in the time frame?
Do you realize
It's
they're
just
just
very-
sticks with some leaves? Y'all did
No.
like colors
No,
and shapes and
that's
stuff.
not sticks with leaves. Because when I draw sticks and leaves,
It looks like
you have
sticks
like actual leaves. Mine look like literal.
So are you gonna take
That's
a picture of them?
I think this is lovely.
Yeah.
I think we did a beautiful
Let's all put
job.
them out and put them on the ground.